Thank you for also helping us into our finances. I would like to thank my parents for all the help they have given me over the years. If it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be here now. Thank you, Mama and Papa, for your continued support, love, and kindness. You have always known best, and I'm proud to stand here as your son. And a big thank you for helping us with all the finances. I would also like to thank the little circle of the family, my sister, brother-in-law, Adelina, Jamel, for the support. To the Emalia General Merchandise family, a very big thank you. To all our relatives, friends who come here, thank you very much. And to you, Wei, I love you in so many ways. And for so many reasons. Because you know me and understand me like no one else ever else could. Because you believe in my dreams and care about my feelings. Because you make me laugh so hard and smile so often. Because you have a way of bringing out the very best in me. But mostly because you're my very best friend, my soulmate. I love you with all my heart. Thank you for marrying me and making me the happiest man alive. And for loving me as much as I love you. I know this start of many happy years together. As we come to the end of our celebration, we wish everyone who come here to pray for us always and be our prayer partners for the journey that Weng and I will go through. A toast to everyone.